I have a theory about that as well. You are part of the internet generation of learners. Like, remember when I started, we didn't have social media. So like there was, in fact, it was really difficult to see a poi video back in 2000, 2002 in general. So it was a different thing. You're part of this generation where there's this massive amount of content online, and even if there isn't like a strong pedagogy being introduced on each of these channels where people are putting out content, there's so much content, why would you even think of taking a lesson? The issue I think that comes up though with the videos predominantly is there's no way, there's a gap between the video says this, you do this, there's no way of you getting feedback if this isn't the same thing as this, and the video is always going to say the same thing at the same time, and without that specific like, oh, rotate your hips this way. Just that opening of your body, the kinesthetic way that's going to change your experience. A video is not going to tell you that you're not doing that. Even if I say on the video to do it, that doesn't mean you're doing it and you don't know whether you are or aren't. I think that's the benefit of instruction.